Hello guys, let me show you what mindful well-being advocacy brought to us. The venue was in Karura. That was my outfit. I chose boho chic fashion style, and that is what came into my mind. We were introduced by Wanjiru and Nyambura. This is the bonding session where we got to know each other's names because we were totally strangers. And yeah, of the day, Kaleka ate everything. So we arrived at the caves. This is where we did the meditation, breathtaking, the dances. Yeah, show off, girls, show off. And yeah, yesterday was nice. Very, very nice. You should try this. When you see a post next time, please come. It is not a bad idea and stuff. This was the funny part. Yeah, water was all over me, but it was so natural. You can actually feel our vibe. And yeah, it was super nice. This is the outcome of the photo we took. And I saw this tattoo. It was a probox and a camel kanachungulia hapo kwa dirisha. It was so nice. Check it down. Everyone looked nice. So nice. Yeah, I love every outfit. See wonder. Look. This was risky, but what if that guy hapo nyuma yuko na flex like sawa enough tumeona. But yeah, it was fun. This is a great family I met, and tune in next time we go for more adventures with the girls. And bye.